What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make sure that your workflows are working smooth and fine. And how to identify where your workflows are lagging and where to find the main culprit, the main problem in your workflows. So first thing first, click on the link in the description so you guys would be able to jump on this dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand side, navigate yourself to the admin settings, which is over here. And once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Once you're over here, then you have to navigate yourself down till you see the workflows. If you don't see the workflows option, you guys can simply search it over here. Just go ahead and search workflows. All right. So here it is. Either you guys can go to the link over here, or you guys can go to the team and verb territories and click on the workflows option. Once you're in the workflow, make sure that you find out the workflow that you're using. And for example, for just for the sake of the example, I'm gonna go ahead and use a workflow. For example, I'm gonna go ahead send LinkedIn emails to the new lead. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this template. So either you have to add the contacts in this list. Right now, I just have to go ahead and navigate myself to the contacts so I can add two contacts at just for a second. All right. So I'm going to use Jane and Spectre. Let's go by right over here, the team and territories, the workflows, and then I'll be going to the over here, just workflows. All right. So everything is working fine here, but in case if everything is not working fine, you will see that there will be a skip option. Means there won't be a green highlight over here and there won't be a check sign over here. Rather, you'll find a cross sign. So it means that something messed up. Once we know that which thing messed up, then we have to navigate what is wrong with it. So either the sales owner or the LinkedIn. If we could, for example, if we are using a automation that is linked with the LinkedIn, make sure that our contact that we're using, for example, the one that I'm using is Jane, has that LinkedIn listed in the contact details. If we don't have that, then we won't be able to use that in the automation, and the automation will fail itself. So this is the tips and tricks that you need to keep in your mind in order to fit and fix it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.